that business professional database is under my purchase databases. So that is the reason why I have the ability to list it. Business professionals is right here. This is the day I bought the database. I now get all the updates that go to this database every day because it's listed under purchased. Now, you may have a user that wants to come in to sign up and they might want nurses just like before. You can show them how to do it the way we just did it, or you can actually go off and build them a custom data product. So this can be for yourself. This can be something you sell. This can be something someone on your own team uses. The applications of what you can do with it, we do not limit. So I'm going to go create a database of licensed nurses. We can pre-filter what this is in advance. I want to go down because right now we need to turn it into a nurse list. So we can just type in nurse under job title just like before. When we hit get count, it's going to create the same exact list that we had before. So when we hit create list and go back to your account, you'll now see licensed nurses. So now your user can just flip that switch, or you can flip the switch depending on who was using the system and pre-built. But there's one more cool thing that I got done, which was you can actually filter down the pre-built list. So I'm going to refresh just to go through that again. Starting from scratch, almost 22 million professionals. We go look for nurses. We pull up 714,000 nurses. Maybe now you only want to find nurses that are not a homeowner. Maybe you're a real estate agent and you specifically want to target people who are nursing, maybe some type of public service, police. And right now we find that there's just about 599,000 nurses that are listed as not being a homeowner or NA, not available. What is actually cool, it's a little off topic, but within AvocaData, the whole database sharing and all of that, you actually can build the dropdown. So I can actually at a later time go and edit that N doesn't include the NA basically. Just a side note that we can control and really, customize any of this that you need. But let's just say you're looking for nurses that are homeowners. Well, we see there's 155,000. So if you wanted this list and you want to maybe filter it down a bit more, maybe you want to find a director who's in nursing. It's going to type in director and we'll see what comes up. The searches do have to be done perfectly. If it's not typed in perfectly, it's misspelled or there's a space, or it's not going to find it because it is a database and it's programmed to be exact searches. But if we see, we can now go over to title and we'll see job title, director of clinical IT, director of nursing. So we just narrowed down a list of 600 nurses that are nurses and are also directors at the same time.